Hi, I'm Monty with Dent Science. So this owner called me and sent me 3 photos. And I said I'd have to look at this one in person. He said someone sideswiped him and left this huge dent. He tried to suck out a lot of it, and it did not work very good. I said, well, after I had a closer look, I can see the center is super stretched. I told him I could improve this and gave him a price to do so, but it's pretty much the whole panel. You need to really release the metal correctly before you do any pushing. I use this 3/8 inch dent craft tool. So I'm hitting the top of the ridge, the crowning down. This creates a crown that you have to knock down and release before you do any pushing behind that panel. So here, I've done that, so here I am pushing a little bit. So you can see the center of the panel flexing while I'm pushing. And it's more of a massaging motion than popping. It's a common misconception, dents are gonna pop, but this guy should have knocked the crown down and tried to release it. Instead of got a good bit of stretched metal here. You can see this creasing here. I'm working it up slowly. Here's the final product. Slightly stretched metal, but improved it greatly. Got that top area down, looking good. The center looking good. Even that bottom at the below the body line. So after all said and done, had a happy customer with what we had versus a conventional body shop that would paint the doors and would initially have Bondo.